Today I purchased a bat grip for my bat's handle because it's very important to grip a bat handle into your hand properly. So today we're gonna check it out and installing this how we can install in no times. First of all, like, share, subscribe, and if you want to buy, purchase link is given in the description below and suggested products. Let's install this without speaking anything. For this you required a this type of paper bag, I mean plastic bag, and a grip and a bat. Let's try to install. Now हम अब इसको हटा सकते हैं. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friend. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.